Okay, this is my first YouTube instructional on how to make a chicken waterer using a couple of 2-liter bottles. What you need first is a couple of 2-liter bottles that are identical in size. Doesn't matter about color. Need some scissors and an X-Acto knife and maybe a Sharpie to draw on and a drill. And what we're going to end up making here is a automatic gravity-fed waterer. Hopefully I can do it in just a couple minutes here, but I just want to show everybody how easy it is to do and to make a waterer like this. Anyway, basically the principle behind this is on fluid dynamics, and if you wanted to go and check out some Wikipedia article on fluid dynamics, I'm sure you can find such, but basically this is just a gravity-fed automatic waterer that holds approximately 2 liters of water. So anyway, the first thing we have to do is we need to take one of these bottles and we need to cut off the top of the bottle so that the sides are straight up and down and there is no curvature coming in. So you want to approximate where that location is. I'm thinking it's somewhere around there, and I need to just pretty much cut the whole top off, and I'll show you how to do that here real fast. Take an X-Acto knife, make an incision, and just start spinning the bottle in that location. Now that that is done, we have removed the top, and this will serve as the basin and the base of the waterer itself. And the idea behind this is you'll take this other bottle and you will insert it down into this other bottle here. I don't know if these may not be the same size bottle. That's why you really do need to get the same brand of liquid. But basically what you'll do is you will take a bottle and you will cram it down inside the other one after filling this up with water, and it will serve as an automatic waterer. To make that work, what you have to do is you need to estimate where your water level, where you want your water level to be. And I'm going to make mine somewhere around right in here. And when we do that, we will last drill a hole in the neck of this bottle somewhere that is below where I cut a little window out here where the chickens will actually water from. So I'm going to go ahead and actually cut that hole out right now. And again, I think that I'm just going to take an estimate here, and I'm going to make it somewhere along that line right there. See how good we get here at doing this. We don't need much, they just need to be able to get their beaks down in there. The bigger hole we make it, the more chance they have to get contaminants in their water. So we want to make this as small as possible. Just like I said, just big enough for them to get their beaks in the waterer itself. Alright. Cut a little bit out of the bottom here. Okay, as you can see, we've cut a window out here, and that is where the chicken will stick its little beak in there and get some water out. And the last thing that we need to do is take a measurement. We just kind of want to estimate this as well and try to figure out where to put this hole. And I'm guessing by the level, if I want the water level to be here, that is approximately where I would put the hole. But I want it to be a little bit lower than that, so I'm going to put a hole in the neck of the bottle, approximately right there, with my drill. Maybe. If it was going the right way, that would help. There we go. Kind of wall the hole out a little bit. And that is pretty much it, my friends. These two components right here with a hole drilled in the neck and a little window and the top cut out should make a chicken waterer. If these were to fit. I don't know if they are. You're fixing to see me try to force fitting this, and I don't know how that's going to work out for me. It worked, but obviously one bottle is a little bit larger. The green one is larger than this other one here, and it did not work exactly as planned. If it was a closer fit, you wouldn't have these little crinkles in the bottle like that. So that's going to be a problem there. But I'm actually going to go. Give me a second here, and I'm going to go fill up this green bottle with water. And I'm going to come back here and show you what the finished product of all of this stuff looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've got the green bottle full of water. And I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. Take the top here with the window, leaving this one upright. And you want to make this fit. God, I wish they were the same size. But that's what you're looking for there in the end. You want to get this all the way to the top there, and where the neck or the top of the green bottle is flush with the bottom of the other one. And basically what you're going to see is that when I turn this thing right side up, water is going to come out of that hole that we drilled and fill it up to just below the level on the window there. Sit back and wait. It's filling up, and there you have it. Chicken should be able to stick his little beak down in there and drink some water. At this point in time, if you wanted to, you could actually drill another hole, make it a little higher if you wanted to raise the water level, or if you just simply wanted to cut some more out of the bottom here, you could. That way there's a little bit more room in there for the chicken to actually get some water. So I'm going to do that now. That looks a little bit better to me. And that's pretty much it. Again, I wish these bottles were the same size. They're not, so I would suggest definitely getting the same size 2-liter bottle. Get 2 of the same drinks that you, whatever your favorite beverage is there, and do it. But again, as you can see, I just dumped all the water out, and it will fill right back up to the exact same level, which is right there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little instructional, and save a little money and do your own chicken waterer.